Hello, it's Nick again. Most people think their house is working against them financially. They look around and they see obstacles, problems, things that need fixing. But what if I told you your home might already be set up to attract wealth? Today I'm showing you 5 specific signs that prove your house is already lucky. These are not things you need to change or buy. These are things you can check right now, just by looking around. So let's see how many of these your home already has. The first sign is your front door flows like water. This is what I call the mouth of a chi test. Stand at your front door and look inside. Can energy flow in naturally? In Feng Shui, qi moves like people running around. It needs a smooth entrance to bring wealth into your home. What blocks wealth entry? Shoes piled up right inside the door. Furniture blocking the pathway. A door that opens directly into a wall. These create what we call qi collision. The energy hits an obstacle and bounces back out, taking opportunities with it. Here's the quick check. Stand at your door and imagine your energy trying to enter. Does it feel smooth and welcoming, or does it feel blocked and cramped? Your gut feeling is usually right. The best front doors have clear sight lines into the home. Not necessarily straight through the house, but a gentle curve that draws energy in. If you can see into your living room or kitchen from the entrance, and the path feels open, your door is already working for you. The second sign is your wealth corner is alive. This is the far left corner when you stand at your main entrance facing inside, where money energy naturally gathers. Walk to that corner right now. What do you see? If it's a clean space with a healthy plant or flowing water element, that's excellent. Your wealth energy is flowing. But if it's a bathroom, storage room, or cluttered mess, that's blocking your money flow. The energy gets trapped or drained away instead of building up. Here's what I call the plant test. If you have a plant in this corner and it's thriving, your wealth energy is strong. Plants are incredibly sensitive to energy flow. Good signs include living plants that stay healthy, clean water features, or natural light during the day. Bad signs are dead plants, stagnant water, or heavy furniture that never moves. If your wealth corner passes this test, you are already ahead of most people. The third sign is you can see opportunities coming. This is about command position for your bed and desk. Command position means you can see the door without being directly in line with it. You are protected like a tortoise shell with a solid wall behind you and a clear vision ahead. When you feel safe, you make better money decisions. If you can't see opportunities approaching, you are operating from stress. But when you are positioned to see possibilities coming, you can respond quickly and feel confident. The quick check is simple. From your bed, can you see the bedroom door? From your desk, can you see the office or room entrance? If yes, and you are not directly in line with the door, you are in command position. This positioning gives you what we call protective awareness. Your subconscious feels secure, which frees up mental energy for recognizing and acting on opportunities. The fourth sign is your kitchen keeps money flowing. This is about the relationship between your stove and sink. Look at your kitchen layout. Are the stove and sink directly opposite each other? If they are not, that's good. When fire and water face off directly, it creates conflict and the money gets burned or washed away. Check out your stove burners. Are all four working? In Feng Shui, each burner represents a different income stream. Broken burners block money flow. The ideal kitchen has what I call the wealth triangle. Stove, sink, and the refrigerator should form an easy movement pattern that creates natural energy circulation. Also check the space between your stove and sink. There should be counter space, not empty air. This prevents the fire and the water elements from fighting each other directly. If your kitchen layout supports easy movement and your stove is clean and functional, your kitchen is already supporting wealth flow. The fifth sign is your sleep space supports abundance. Your bedroom setup directly affects your financial decision-making ability. First, check your headboard. Do you have a solid headboard against the wall? This gives you energetic support and stability, helping you wake up with stronger personal power. Next, look at your bed placement. Is it under a window? Energy flows out through windows, drain your power while you rest. Your bed should be against a solid wall. Also check for mirrors facing your bed. Mirrors scatter your energy instead of letting it consolidate during sleep, leading to poor judgment and missed opportunities. The command position applies here too. Can you see the bedroom door from your bed without being directly in line with it? So those are the 5 signs that prove your home's energy is flowing right. Your front door flows smoothly, your wealth corner is alive, you can see opportunities from your key positions, your kitchen supports abundance, and your sleep space gives you proper backing. Comment below and tell me which signs your house already has. I bet you'll be surprised how many you already have working for you. Keep the energy moving with small daily habits and watch how your luck starts to shift.